PHF foods. What is PHF foods? Okay, guys, this is the most thing you have to understand. What is a PHF food? PHF food means it's a potentially hazardous food. These foods has to be taken extra care when you handle. It's from the receiving to of the setting, storing, labeling, cutting, preparation, everything, until it goes to the guest table. So, there are some PHF foods which we have to know about this one. There are like dairy products, okay, especially milk, custards, all the desserts that we use with the milk. Then the eggs, meat, beef, pork, lamb, any poultry, fish, shellfish, baked potatoes, cooked rice and pastas, processed fruits and vegetables, for example, salads such as sandwiches, rolls, tofu, and other soybean sprouts and sprout seeds, sliced melons, cut tomatoes, or anything that is cut or cooked. Told you what is PHF and what are some examples of the PHF and how you are going to cook it in order to ensure that the foods you are cooking have these